If you are a master's or PhD student, you know this exact feeling. You sit down to find a thesis topic or an original research idea. You read 50 papers, you map out the future research sections, you try to find a gap. But every time you think you have found something original, you discover a paper from 3 years ago that already did it perfectly. It feels like every good idea is already taken. The problem isn't your brain. The problem is that traditional literature reviews are designed for consumption, not ideation. Today, I'm going to show you how to shift from reading papers to aggressively stress testing them using AI. Not to write your paper for you, but to find the hidden gaps the authors themselves didn't see. So, how do we actually force an AI to see what isn't there? How do we find a ghost gap? The trick is friction. If you feed an AI a single paper, it will give you a standard summary. But if you feed it two or three papers tackling the same problem from different angles, and you instruct it to look specifically for conceptual frictions where frameworks clashes without acknowledging each other, the AI start to flag the silent assumption holding the field back. That is exactly when we develop our SWOT analysis to stress test our new angle and figure out how to build our own study around it.
Once your AI has successfully isolated a ghost gap, you don't just sit there and admire it. You have to stress test it. You need to know if this hidden gap is actually a viable research direction or just a dead end. To do that strategically, we use a tool borrowed from elite business management, the SWOT analysis. When you force an AI to dissect a research paper or a new hypothesis through the four lenses of strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats, your entire reading style changes. You stop reading passively and you start thinking like a tactical investigator. Let's break down exactly how this works under the hood. First, we instruct the AI to pull out the strengths, but we don't want a generic abstract summary. We want the AI to target the core methodological victories or the definitive data points of the paper. What makes this research solid? Is it a massive sample size? Is it a highly precise computational model? Knowing the strengths tells you exactly what foundational pillars you can safely lean on when designing your own project. Second, we expose the weaknesses. This is where the AI becomes your ultimate unfiltered critical peer reviewer. We train the AI to hunt for internal flaws, boundary conditions, and hidden logical leaps. Did the authors overgeneralize their conclusions? Did they use an overly rigid behavioral task to measure a highly dynamic cognitive phenomenon? Finding the weaknesses shows you exactly where the existing literature is fragile. Third, and this is where your brainstorming session catches fire, are the opportunities. This is the bridge where a Ghost Gap app transforms into your next publication. Instead of asking what did they do, you use the AI to ask where can I take this next? Can their neurorehabilitation framework be pivoted to an entirely different demographic, like aging populations? Can we replace their outdated analysis tools with modern AI-driven modeling?
Opportunities are the concrete, actionable pathways for your own research. We use the AI to scan for external risks. Are there competing paradigm shifts or massive replication risk tied to this methodology? Is there a conceptual bottleneck or an upcoming technological change that could render this entire line of inquiry obsolete? By running the SWOT framework through an LLM, you turn a dense 30-page paper into a one-page strategic roadmap in less than 60 seconds. You upgrade your reading speed, but more importantly, you upgrade your cognitive strategy. Now, let me share the exact prompt structure you can paste into your AI right now to generate this matrix automatically.
This prompt is designed to transform an AI into an expert academic reviewer capable of conducting a deep SWOT analysis on research articles. Rather than providing a basic summary, it forces the AI to go beyond surface-level descriptions to explicitly extract hidden assumptions, implicit causal claims, and untested mechanisms. The analysis is systematically broken down into four critical areas: evaluating the theoretical framework, assessing methodological strengths and hidden confounds, distinguishing true novelty from simply rebranding known findings, and identifying hidden gaps where alternative explanations are ignored or causal links remain unsupported. Although this specific protocol is written for the fields of neuroscience and psychology, its core structure is highly versatile and universally applicable. You can easily adapt this prompt for entirely different disciplines, whether you are analyzing literature in computer science, economics, or engineering. By simply changing the expert persona at the beginning of the prompt, you can leverage this exact same rigorous framework to critically evaluate research papers and uncover hidden flaws in virtually any academic field. If you want to discover more advanced prompts and elevate your academic work, make sure to join our community. Follow the AI in Research channel for the latest AI strategies and practical research guides.